Hey guys, so got the car all back together. I did make the additional support change to that center drive shaft. So that did solve the problem, so we don't have the vibration issue anymore. We do have a new motor. When I got it back together, I didn't film it, but we did bust the axle shaft there, where it necks down to the 3.175 diameter. So unfortunately, the tack-on motor is done. This is a tack-on 3500 kV motor. Unfortunately, they don't make those anymore, or the hobby parts is not selling them. So I bought the BLMotor 3650 4-pole 3900 kV off Amazon, and this thing works pretty good. So just take a look. I got some videos of speed runs, taking out for the first time this spring, running speed runs. I got up to maybe 45, 50 miles an hour. Wasn't topping it out by any means. So enjoy. Alright guys, that's going to do it for this video. Next time I'm going to show the speed runs that I had, what caused this carnage, and a little feature that we did smoke this motor. So stay tuned for the next video where we show what happened there. Alright, see you next time.